Nest Floodlight Camera connectivity problems affect 15 to 20% of users, making this one of the most common smart home security issues. Understanding the root causes is essential for maintaining reliable home monitoring. Camera offline issues fall into three main categories: network problems, power related issues, and environmental factors. Each category has specific causes that affect camera connectivity in different ways. Network issues are the most common cause, affecting 45% of offline cases. Cameras need Wi Fi signal strength of -70 decibels or stronger. They also require at least 2 megabits per second upload speed, and older routers may struggle with continuous streaming demands. Power problems cause 25% of offline issues. Voltage fluctuations affect the camera's Wi Fi chip performance, while loose electrical connections create intermittent power loss. Cameras sharing circuits with high power appliances often experience instability. Environmental factors account for 10% of connectivity issues. Severe weather like heavy rain or extreme temperatures can disrupt signals. Physical obstructions from new construction or landscaping block Wi Fi transmission. Electromagnetic interference from other devices operating on the same frequency also causes problems. Google has introduced several improvements to address these issues. Enhanced Wi Fi diagnostics help identify connection problems, while improved power management reduces false offline alerts. Better compatibility with Wi Fi 6 and mesh networks provides more stable connections, and the new Connection Health feature helps monitor camera status. Understanding these root causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Whether your camera goes offline due to network, power, or environmental factors, identifying the specific cause helps you apply the right solution for reliable home security monitoring. First, assess your camera's Wi-Fi signal strength using the Google Home app. Your camera needs a strong, consistent signal to stay online. Next, optimize your router settings. Separate your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, update firmware, and enable quality of service for your camera traffic. If network adjustments don't resolve the issue, try a soft reset. Power cycle both your camera and router by turning them off for 10 seconds, then turning them back on. For persistent problems, perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the LED flashes yellow, then reconfigure your camera in the Google Home app. If problems persist after these steps, consider advanced solutions like professional Wi-Fi analysis, creating a dedicated IoT network, or adding mesh network nodes for better coverage.